Today, a customer came in bringing an old guitar that's in extremely poor condition. This guitar is a Grand Suzuki from the 1970s, one of those vintage instruments that surely carries many memories. Its damage is quite severe. The bridge has come off, the veneer is peeling, the surface is dull, the saddle is missing, and there are no strings at all. Even the top has become convex due to moisture, making the restoration even more challenging. I will try my best to restore it using the simple tools I have. When repairing guitars like this, improvisation is essential because every guitar has different kinds of damage, especially vintage ones that have been exposed to humidity for years. The back of this guitar is in the worst condition. The veneer is almost completely detached. But I believe this guitar holds many memories, which is why the owner chose to repair it instead of buying a new or better used guitar. By the end of this video, I've only finished restoring the back and fixing the loose veneer. The bridge repair will continue in the next video. If you enjoy content like this, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you, everyone. Guitar person with praying hands.